Hey, M&S Beauty Concept YouTube channel. If you are joining us for the first time, this is the right place for you. Don't hesitate to join the family. Click the subscribe button, put on your post notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, anytime we are on live stream, and anytime we are premiering a video. Today is another kind of video. I always love to seek my hair. I always love silky hair. I always love glowing hair. I want to bring you guys along how I got my silky hair. This is 18 inches length, 400 gram wig, M&S Beauty Concept wig. This wig was customized by me. So you know me, I normally love when I customize the hair. Before I use it, I will give it co-wash, all the necessary treatment and all of that. So this hair is a bone straight super double strand hair. So when you are good with hair, you understand double strand. Double strand is that type that is no stretch, you know. Some wig, you see the tip will be very light, but double strand is the same volume from up to the down. It's more expensive, but it's worth buying, it's worth having. So this wig, I have it before in another wig net. So like I said, now I fix the hair now with 2x6 closure. This, I love it. This is really the best way to slide bone straight hair. So this bone straight, I washed it, so you can see it's not really straight anymore. It's not really silky because after washing it will go wavy or something like that. So now I'm going to show you my technique on how I get my silking back. This hair, I got a straighter. This is hair straightener. You can use this straightener to get back the silky straight, to really make it silky. But this time I'm going to be using my electric iron. One, when you use your straighter, you have to have enough time. You have to be patient. You have to do it very carefully one after the other, so that all hair will be silky. But today I'm not going to be using my straightener because I don't have that time. Instead, I'm going to be using my electric iron. Yes, my electric iron. Plug my iron. When the iron is plugged, I will put the iron on the maximum for cutting and kneeling. So I will put it on the highest. So another thing you have to take notes for, if you know it that the wig or the weave-on you want to straighten using your electric iron is not original, don't put the iron directly on the hair. You can use your kitchen towel paper. This one is disposable. You can cut two like this and put it when the hair is down. I don't know if you are seeing me. You can put it on top. So guys, like I said, if you don't trust the hair, you can use your kitchen towel paper. You know, you fold two together, put the hair like this, put it on top and iron like that. If you don't trust whether the hair is original or a mixed with synthetic, because there are lots of hair they will write human hair, but it's not really human hair. And another possibility, if you don't have kitchen paper, the paper I showed before, you can also use your kitchen towel. Your kitchen towel have to be 100% cotton or linen. It has to be 100% cotton or linen, because there are some kitchen towel that is with polyester, that is with with plastic polyester or something like that, that when you iron it will burn. So you can use your kitchen cloth, so that you spread it on top and iron. Now I'm going to start. So you see, this one is the best way for lazy people. People don't really have, not lazy people, maybe you just want it fast as possible. You see what I did? You cut like this. You see how many it is? You see, like this whole wig, let me see, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to cut it into 4 parts and iron. This is my first part. So you spread it like this, and on your iron board has to be wool, 100% wool too. My iron has been plugged direct. Another important thing you need to know is that when you have iron with steamer, make sure that the water you put inside is already out. Don't use water, don't steam when you want to use your electric iron to straighten your hair. This has been plugged for some minutes now. It's very hot, and you put it on the maximum cotton linen. You need very hot iron. Now it's like that. Only do this when you know that your hair is original and 100%. This is how I straighten all my hair. So this side, I'm almost satisfied. You see the difference? So now I'm going to cut another part. Like I said, the whole wig I'm going to cut into 5. This one is the second part. So you take it like that. Only do this when you are 100% sure that the wig you have is a real human hair. It's real 100% hair. This is the easiest way I get my bone straight, seeking bone straight back. You know? So after ironing the back, the same cut, you turn the other side. Like when you start ironing the front, you turn the back and iron. It's very easy. It has been working so much for me. So the second part is already straight. Now I cut the third part. It's a normal thing. Any straight hair after washing, it will become waving a bit. So this is the third part. So like that. Then you turn. Very easy. I put the camera a bit down. So the whole hair have been ironed. You can then, after ironing the whole part, you now do general. You see how silky it is now? It's very easy. So the last one, I'm going to iron where the closure is. You know, there's always a band. You let the band be down so that you don't go and use iron to mistakenly press the band. So now the same hot iron. So you just do that to really get the silky and to make. Now I'm so satisfied. The silky is back. You see, the straight, this bony straight, the silky is back. So I will see you guys. I go now to take my shower, get my face beat done, and get dressed up. Then I will show you this hair, this wig on me, to see the final look. So see you guys. Hi, like I promised before, I said when I take my shower, then after taking my shower, I will come to install the wig so you can see the beauty. So the hair that I ironed is the hair, so it's there. So anytime I want to use wig, and I'm still advising everybody, if you want to use wig, always use this first as a protector. This whole cap, it will help to protect your hair, because when the wig, after sewing, the net can be drawing your natural hair. I advise everybody to use it. This one will also protect your edges, and also it will also stabilize the wig to be on your hair. There is another type, the silicone type. That one is mostly for the frontal, the 13-14. So my hair is a center part, so I'll place the net in the center, and it has something to clip it at the back. I'm okay like this. So now is the big day. So to wear wig like this to the back, then I'll fly it backward. So guys, now I put the hair side. This is not really side, it's between side and between center. This is how I like it. I shift it backward. So guys, what will you say? Ironing hair is possible. You have heard it, you have seen it, you have seen the result. What do you think about it? Interact with me on the comment section. Tell me your opinion if you have ironed your wig or weave on before now. Now I want to say bye bye. See you guys in my next video. I remain your girl Maggie M&S Beauty Concept. Bye bye.